Well, how about Anamaki Ka, thunder? Yeah, that's a pretty good. We could teach thunder, and then that'll be a good segue into our song. All right. Well, Natasha, do you just want to do the intro, and Nana Bouge and I'll set up while you're doing that?
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. What, like now?
Yeah, go right ahead.
BOOZHOO Nish Anishinaabe Dug. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Natasha Nindigenous Cause. Natasha is my name. And I'm here with Weenie Mouchane, with my sweetheart, Nana BOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO, everybody. How you doing?
And we're also here with Anamush. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Anamush.
BOOZHOO Gakina. Hello, everyone. Anamush Nindigenous Cause. Dog is my name. Actually, Anamush is my name, but that means dog in the Ojibwe language. And I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Waindam, G-A-I-on, Oma Noongoon. And I'm here today with Maniji, Nana BOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Nish Anishinaabe Dug. It's a pleasure to be here today with you. Back to you, Weenie Mouchane.
And our Ojibwe word of the day, Anamakika. Anamakika, thunder. Anamakika. And that's our intro segue into the song for today. The song is God of Thunder. Take it away, boys. that was really good. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Ikawabamin Minowa. I'll see you again. Hawa.